The electrical system in my van isn't set up yet, so the fan is not going to get hooked up for now, but I'm just really putting it up here so I have a place to put it. 16 degrees and I'm boiling. Woo, it's hot. Little by little, slowly by slowly. So before I put electrical in, it's probably best to test the rain seal. My mom volunteered to simulate the rain.
Cheryl, simulate the rain.
Simulate the rain. There we go. Yeah. To make a short story shorter, nothing leaked. Nothing. So the next on my list is to upgrade my electrical system on my van. The first thing I want to do is swap out my alternator and do a big 3 wiring upgrade from my alternator to my battery. This will include swapping out my 110 amp stock alternator for a 240 amp custom built alternator. At idle, it's capable of 155 amps and 260 amp output at peak. This will mean that when I'm driving around, I can charge up my house battery from my alternator more efficiently. It just started snowing outside. There are these big snowflakes that are melting as soon as they hit the ground. I think winter has begun. Okay, it's 3 in the morning and it's 1 degree in the van. Slightly chilly, lots of moisture on the roof. Oh, it's frozen. That's crazy. I gotta get up. I don't want to because it's cold out there. But I'm thinking that maybe I can just start my car and turn on the heat while I get dressed and put on warm clothes. It's not that cold. I'm just being stupid. It's 3 in the morning. No one wants to get up at 3 in the morning. Let's just make it as comfortable for ourselves as possible. Let's turn that up, man. Okay. Ooh. It's cold. It's cold. I'm stronger than this. Okay. Oh. So yesterday I was smart because I went out and I bought this merino wool long sleeve base layer, and it's nice and warm. I also bought some long johns that are made out of 100% merino wool. This is great. I'm having a good morning. Okay, I'm starting to wake up. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah! Everything's frozen. Oh, it's melting. Oh dear, no insulation. So tonight I'm spending the night at a truck stop because I am working out of Calgary. I'm in the Front Ranges for work, and tonight we're supposed to get a very bad storm and I have to work tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, I'm gonna try and dry out my boots. They're all wet from today. My mittens are all wet too. So hopefully I can just blast the heat in here and get everything dry. No diesel heater or anything ready to go yet here. I'm just kind of running my car to keep warm for now. I don't think it's supposed to get past -2, -4. My sleeping bag goes to -7. I think I will be nice and cozy. Without further ado, I'm gonna go to sleep. Good night. Wow, bone dry. I'm not seeing any snow out there yet. 5 degrees, no sign of snow. My alarm's going off. The storm didn't arrive that night, but it did around midday the next day. And it just did not stop snowing. So my work week is done and I don't want to drive on the highway back to Calgary. I'm at a truck stop in the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. I know I don't have my diesel heater yet. It's a bit late. I definitely need to get the van done, but I need to finish this work contract first so I have some spare time. But yeah, I'm gonna wait out this storm. I think what I'm gonna do is curl up in my sleeping bag and just hope for the best. We're going through a blizzard. We're supposed to get about 10 to 15 centimeters of snow. It's supposed to dip down to like -8. That's gonna be definitely my coldest night yet. There's already moisture in here, so this should be interesting. I'm also very tired. I've worked probably almost 70 hours this week, so I think I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna go to bed. Stop talking. I'm already cold. It's only 6 degrees Celsius and it's a bit damp in here. See you on the flip side. -3 degrees outside. 0 degrees inside. I think the snow's helping to insulate, but I don't think it's too bad. I'm toasty warm in my sleeping bag. This is really nice. Got a blanket over top. I'm super warm. -1. Wow. Not a lot of moisture. I hit -2. Coldest night. Okay, so that wasn't so bad at all. I didn't sleep great. I just kept waking up every few hours. I think just because I was curious to see if I would survive. I mean, it wasn't that cold last night. It got to -8 outside. But inside the vehicle, it got to only -3. I mean, it snowed a lot last night, so I think the thick layer of snow on the vehicle helped insulate it. There's no moisture on the ceiling of my van, which is really impressive. As for the van build, not much is getting done, just because this is so crazy. Dealing with the temperature drop and trying to survive at the same time as working 70 hours a week. It doesn't leave a lot of time or warm temperatures for working on the van. But as of October 26th, I am finally finished my work contract and I am unemployed, which means I have lots of time to work on the van. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for sticking in there. Thank you to my Patreon supporters. Thank you, Daniel Loveson, for the drone. more to come on that. Anyways, have a good day, and we'll see you next time.